Today is your birthday, your most special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrows, it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most special day. Hello, good evening. Today is June 25, 2024, and tomorrow is June 26, 2024. So, di jud ko kalimot, tomorrow is the birthday celebration of my sister, my younger sister, who is living in Sydney, Australia. Happy birthday, sis. Wajud ko ilain